Hello, so today I got my son and I these little play foam DIY dinosaur sets. It says sculpt around the skeleton that I guess comes in this box. Here are the little warnings on the box. And there's 6 different designs. It says it comes with the skeleton, the play foam, and the sculpting tool. I've never done one of these before, so this should be interesting. We can compare my son's and I's design. So let's see what we have here. We have the 3 packs of the foam. You have the blue, orange, green. We have the really tiny skeleton and the sculpting tool. So let's see what we could create. Okay, we opened everything and I have a feeling this is gonna make a mess. This stuff is pretty like ooey and gushy. So this is my dinosaur, and then my son's colors and his dinosaur. Okay, this stuff is very sticky and slimy and mushy. This is what I have so far, and we are by no means play foam artists. Here, let me show them yours.
No, not yet.
Not yet? Okay. My son says we have to wait to see his. Here's my slimy dinosaur. Okay, I have officially made a mess. I don't know if you can see my table and like my hand because it's all sticky and gushy. This is the dinosaur from the kit. So the skeleton is under here. This is just some other stuff that I attempted to make with this very sticky play foam. I am by no means a play foam artist. This is my son's dinosaur that he did. And now I have quite the mess to clean up. But this was our attempt at a DIY dinosaur play foam. They made it look really good on this box. And well, you can see mine. So that is the DIY play foam kit.